What is the English word for Rinconada? In general, a Rinconada is an incoming angle formed at the intersection of two houses, two streets, or two roads. In geography, a Rinconada is the land between two mountain branches. In the next image I try to do a draw of it. The spiral shows the place that I'm referring to, where some houses could be settled, for example. Update, I take the image shared by @Marilua where I mark in red what is the closest place to what I'm asking for, and I have added the translation for gully, quebrada.
Crook. A bent part of something, especially the inner part. Ex-kids should learn to sneeze and cough into the crooks of their elbows. Cambridge. A Rinconada is Angulo entrante que se forma en la unión de dos cosas, cuyos o caminos, o entre dos montes. Dri. This seems to mean the inner part of the angle, intersection, etc. The above description clearly notes the similarity between ridges of a mountain and an arm. From This is Cape Town, by David Briggs. It is possible there is another term in use by cartographers that I am not aware of, but I have heard writers use the phrase to describe small villages sheltering in the protected part of mountain ridges. And just for Christmas.
In Appalachia, where I grew up, we referred to a smallish valley, hollowed-out area, in a mountain range, not down at the bottom of the mountain but between two taller areas, which is what the illustration looks like, as a hollow, which we pronounced holla. People settled in hollows because they generally had creeks in them, were probably formed by creeks, actually, and were somewhat protected from the elements, and consequently towns grew up there. So, country singer Loretta Lynn's famous tune says that she was born in Butcher Holla, which is a town in Kentucky, technically Butcher Hollow, KY. The problem with offering this word as a translation is, in my experience, people don't use it much in conversation anymore. It's found more in place names now. We are more likely to say 5 miles south on Highway 70 if we are referring to a geographic location. But if you used this term in my region, we would certainly know what you meant. Another option might be cut, which is a passage between two taller areas in a mountain range.
Você pode não ir nesse espelho.